Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how you've got a landing page, which is also called a form sign up in Flodesk. So this is great for before your website is finished. It's also good for if you need something other than a pop-up to start collecting names. I like to use this in my Instagram bio to send people to collect emails. We right now just have this going into a general segment because we don't really need to separate them out, but we'll show you how you can do that if you choose. So when you go to Flowdesk, you'll be here. You're going to go over to workflows. From workflows, you're going to go over to, okay, just kidding. You're going, sorry. You're going to go to forms. Okay, and you're going to see that I've created a form here. So if you want to create a new one, you can do this. We will eventually have more than one form as we'll have pop-ups on our website. But for right now, this is our landing page that's built within Flodesk. So I'm going to click edit. Super simple. You get here, you literally just click and you can start typing. You can add what you need to add. You can delete. It's already set for your branding, but if you're like, oh, I don't really like the pink, we can easily change it. So let's say we want to change the background. You'll see I was clicked inside here in this text box. It just clicked out of it and automatically this pink showed up. So if I want to change the pink down here where it says custom, this is what you want to do. So you'll actually go over to your Canva board where we have all our colors. And so let's say we wanted to do this kind of orange peach color. We would just copy that code right there. And then we'd go back over to our Flodesk and we would just paste it right here. And then the color changes. So you can literally just kind of play with it, do whatever color choices you're feeling. I just kind of went with, sorry, I cannot find the page yet. I kind of went with the pink because the template also had pink and I liked it and it kind of stood out to me. Um, but there's no reason you need to keep that. The only thing I will tell you is that for some reason there's nowhere to upload your logo, which I thought was interesting. So I did upload your font and typed it out. So it's not quite your logo, but it still looks very similar. So that's why you're seeing this versus like what your actual logo is. Okay, and then down here, you're going to see the different forms. So I've got first name, last name, which is also required, and then email address. If you don't like that, you can always unrequire it. I think you should always require at least one name. Just it will help you later on as you have fields. If you wanted to add something, you can create a custom field. So if you wanted to have birthdays and collect that, you could do that as well. And then down here we have what piques your interest. Again, you can totally delete this if you want. It was on the template, but I thought it would work well for you as well. Um, so if you kind of double click in it, you'll see like this bold, italic, underline, strike through, numbered list, and bullet list pop up. If you did want to delete it, you just kind of simply just literally like delete the button. Um, and then I just hit Command Z to bring it back. So over here, we've got different options. What this does is that when they click these options, you can do one of two things. For us right now, all it's doing is just creating like a little tag on the back end to let them know, oh, they're interested in like really just hearing from me, which is life tips. Or they're really interested in the juice, or they're interested in the tote bags, or they're really wanting to know like when are you selling in person so I can get there. So they can go and click all these. You also have the option, you'll see over here, it says choose segments. So right now this segment's called landing page because this is our landing page. So now we know anyone who signed up that they came in from this page. We could also tag it and say, hey, put them in a group called in-person events. So that's something that we could do as well. And you can later then email all the people who just tagged in-person events. Or you can also just email your whole group. So either way. And then our subscribe button. And again, if you want to change the colors, it's just right here. It's super simple. You can go over for these right here. You see that says font. So you'll just go over here and change the font. If you wanted to change the style, if you really don't like the circles, which I think are fun, and kind of fit your branding, it's kind of why I'm sticking with them. But you can do squares, you can make it your own. So for replacing your text, super simple, click start typing, and then you're done. All you do is click next. Should we enable double opt-in? I always say no because, like they say, it's better for conversions. You can lose people through that if it goes to their spam. But that's just me. And then when subscribers opt into this form, I just have it email me so that I can see all the new people coming in. And then yeah, display success message. You can also redirect them later on to like a different site. You could redirect them to your GoFundMe page, and you would just click this and then put that link in there. So for now, since we don't have the link yet, we'll just do display success message. And then we hit continue, and now it's live. So you can go see the live view, and then you can copy your link so that you can go put it in your Instagram bio. And there it is. So I'm going to be the first one to sign up, and we can see how it goes. And I am interested in all these. Since we're not in the same state, I won't put in-person events, and we'll do this. And then it gives me a little message, thank you for subscribing. Now we're done. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can start getting your page live.